What is up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Ngayong araw, meron tayong panibagong lesson. Yun ay ang Systems of Linear Equations in Two Variables. So, ang lesson 1 para doon ay we will illustrate systems of linear equations in two variables. And then yung pangalawa is, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano mag-graph ng systems of linear equations in two variables. So, ano ba inaantay natin? Pumunta na tayo sa ating lesson. Our lesson for today is all about the Module 8 of Quarter 1, Systems of Linear Equations. Lesson 1 will be illustrating systems of linear equations. So, pag-usapan muna natin yung linear equations in two variables. Linear equation in two variables is an algebraic equation whose variable quantity or quantities are in the first power only, and it is written in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers, and the coefficients of x and y, which are a and b, respectively, are not equal to 0. So, pag sinabi natin linear equation, dapat yung mga exponent or yung degree ng mga variable doon, like, for example, here, x and y, dapat 1 lang siya. And, two variables siya kasi meron tayong x and y. And also, yung a and b dapat, a, b, and c dapat real numbers. And yung x and y, or yung numerical coefficient ng x and y, which is yung a and b, dapat hindi equal to 0. So, ano nga ba yung systems of linear equations? So, when we say a system of linear equations, it consists of two or more linear equations. So, kapag meron tayong two or more linear equations, ang tawag na doon ay system. So, pero yung lesson natin today focuses only on two equations at a time. For example, let's consider x plus y equals 3 and x minus y equals 1. So, kapag isusulat natin siya into system, ayan. So, lalagyan na po natin nung para pong bracket or braces. So here, pag sinabi po nating solution, the solution of a system of linear equations in two variables is any ordered pair that solves both of the linear equations. So, ang solution po, ibig sabihin, ordered pair po siya. Ibig sabihin, may value sa x at si y. So, lahat po ng mga ordered pair, na kapag nilagay natin doon sa dalawang equation na yon at nag-equal sila or nag-true in both equations, ay matatawag po yung solution. Okay, so let's have an example. So, let's try let's determine whether the given point or yung given ordered pair is a solution. Okay, the given point is negative 3, 1. So, the system or the two equations will be x minus y is equal to negative 4 and 2x plus 10y is equal to 4. First is, let's substitute the values into the equation. So, doon muna tayo sa first equation. X minus y is equal to negative 4. The value of x is negative 3. So, substitute natin. And then, the value of y is 1. So, negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. Yung nasa left side, ang sagot, negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. And yung nasa right side is also negative 4. Therefore, negative 4 is equal to negative 4. True. Dahil equal naman talaga sila. So, kailangan natin ng dalawang true statement. Okay, let's have the second equation. Substitute natin. So, 2x plus 10y is equal to 4. So, 2x means 2 times x, meaning 2 times the value of x, which is negative 3. And then, plus 10y, which is 10 times y, or the value of y, which is 1. So, yung nasa right side naman ng equation ay 4. So, dapat yung left side, ang sagot dapat dyan ay 4 din, para maging true yung statement na yan. So, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and then 10 times 1 is 10. So, add natin yung negative 6 plus 10. The answer is 4. So, yung sagot sa left side na equation is 4, and sagot sa right side is 4. So, pares po silang true. So, therefore, Since the point negative 3, 1 produces a true statement in both equations. So, sa first equation, true siya. Second equation, true ulit. So, therefore, it is a solution. So, hindi ko sinabing kasi hindi naman sa lahat ng panahon is isa lang yung solution. Minsan, infinite pa po yung solution. Hindi lang po isa. So, ito pong negative 3, 1 na point na to, isa lamang po siya sa mga maaaring maging solution nung system na to. Okay, so the second example. So let's have 1, 0 as the point, and then the system is x minus 5y is equal to 0 and x minus 4y is equal to 1. So let's substitute the values into the equations. First equation, x minus 5y is equal to 0. So the value of x is 1, then minus 5y means 5 times y, which is 0. So, ganun pa rin po, ang aim natin is yung left side tsaka right side na equation ay mag-equal. So, 1, and then minus 5 times 0, which is 0. So, 1 minus 0 is 1. Yung nasa right side is 0. So, 1 is not equal to 0. So, false siya. Okay, so false na po agad sa first equation. Hindi na siya nag-true para sa first equation. Let's have the second equation. So, the second equation is x minus 4y is equal to 1. So, x is 1, and then 4 times 0 is 0. So, 1 minus 0 is 1. So, dito po sa second equation, nag-true siya. However, since the point 1, 0 did not produce a true statement in both equations, it is not a solution of the system. So, kailangan po natin dalawang true statement. Pero since isa lang po dito yung true, automatic, the given point is not a solution of the system. So, tandaan natin, magiging solution lang siya kung dalawang true statement. Meaning, sa first equation true, and the second equation is true. Pag may isa lang po na nag-false, automatic, it is not a solution. So, there are 3 kinds of systems of linear equation. So, isa-isahin po natin. First one, let's first observe the system. So, the first equation is x plus 2y equals 4. And then the second equation is 2x plus 4y is equal to 6. So, let us try multiplying a certain number to the first equation. Tingnan natin kung magkapareha siya sa may second equation. So, kung titignan po natin yung second equation, so 2x plus 4y equals 6. So, try po natin mag-times ng 2 sa first equation. Tingnan natin kung magkaparehas yung first at second. So, pag times natin sa yung equation 1 with 2, so magiging 2 times, remember po, pag nag-multiply po tayo, dapat po both sides, sa left at sa right, para po hindi nagbabago yung equality. So, 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 times 2y is 4y. And then sa right side, 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So, ikukumpara po natin equation 1 at equation 2. Nag-equal po yung left side. Equal po sila sa 2x plus 4y. Pero hindi po second equation. However, yung kanila pong answer or yung nasa right side is magkaiba. So, this would mean that our 2 equations have identical expressions on their left sides. Kagaya po na sinabi ko kanina. Equal po yung, or identical po yung sa left side po nila. But, they have different answers. Magkaiba po yung nasa right side nila. So, kapag po ganyan po yung itsura ng system, ang tawag po dun ay inconsistent system. Okay po, pag nakita po natin na pwedeng maging identical yung left side, pero magkaiba pa rin yung right side nila. Ang tawag po dun sa system na yun ay inconsistent system. Such a system has no solution, since there are no values of x and y that satisfy the 2 equations. So, tandaan po natin kapag po inconsistent system, it has no solution. Kasi wala po tayong mahanap na value ng x and y or any ordered pair na mag-satisfy po sa 2 equations. Let's observe the second system. So, the first one is, the equation 1 is x minus y is equal to 3. And then the second equation is 3x minus 3y equals 9. So, try ulit natin. Ano kaya pwedeng integer ang i-multiply sa first equation para maging kagaya siya ng second equation? Tingnan natin. So, upon thinking critically, siguro po ang pwedeng i-times or ang dapat po i-times natin ay 3. So, times natin yung equation 1 by 3. So, magiging 3 times equation 1 will be left side po tsaka right side po. Pares po dapat i-times sa 3. So, 3 times x is 3x, and then 3 times negative y is negative 3y. And then, sa right side, 3 times 3 is 9. So, kung makapansin nyo po, yung equation 1 at equation 2, naging equal na po sila. So, yung left side equal, yung right side equal din po. So, if a system of linear equation can be written as the same equation, then it is called a consistent dependent system. So, nasulat po natin sila na as in parehas na parehas. So, kapag po ganun yung system, ang tawag po dun ay consistent dependent system. So, kapag po ganun po yung system, ang kanya pong solutions ay it has infinite number of solutions. Ibig sabihin, walang katapusan. Sobrang dami po, hindi po natin bibilang kung ilan po ang kanilang solution. And then the third one, the solutions of one equation are also solutions to the other since the equations are equivalent. So, kung ano equation po, kung ano po yung solution sa equation 1, ganoon din po yung solution sa equation 2. Dahil nga po, equivalent po yung kanilang, yung dalawa pong equation is equivalent. So, ganoon po ulit, observe po ulit natin. So, let's observe this system. First equation is x plus y is equal to 3. And then, the second equation is x minus y is equal to 1. So, meron ba tayong maiisip na i-multiply sa first or kahit sa second equation para maging kahit pa paano parehas sila ng yung dalawang equation? Okay, so, kung tignan nyo po yung first equation at second equation, magkaiba na talaga sila. Kasi, yung first equation, yung y is positive. Second equation, si y naman ay negative. So, kahit ano po yung multiply natin dyan sa dalawang yan, hindi pa rin po sila magiging parehas. From our example, x plus y is already different from x minus y. Even if you multiply them by any integer, they stay different. So, kagaya po ng binanggit ko kanina. Kahit po i-multiply po natin sa parehas na integer, yung first o kaya yung second, magkaiba pa rin po sila. So, kapag po ganyan, ang tawag po dyan, system na yan is consistent independent system. And, ang solution po niya is only one. So, hindi po one ha. Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon, one. So, yan po, ay ibig sabihin, iisa lang po ang solution. Isang ordered pair lang po ang solution. Okay? So, let's try this activity. Let's identify what kind of systems are given and state how many solutions each system has. So, the first equation, and so, the first system pala rather. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, magkaiba na po talaga si x plus y at si x minus y from the very beginning. So, ito po ay consistent independent. And pag consistent independent, it has only one solution. Let's have the second one. So, kung i-expect pa natin yung first equation at second equation, meron po tayong pwedeng mai-multiply. So, first equation, para kahit pa paano magkaroon ng identical na expression. So, yung equation 1, yung 2x plus y equals 4, multiply natin by 2. So, magiging 4x plus 2y equals 8. So, naging identical na po, or naging equivalent na po, or nakabuo tayo ng same na equation. So, therefore, kapag po naging parehas yung dalawang equation, yun po ay consistent dependent. And it has infinite number of solutions. Sabihin, sobrang dami, hindi natin mabibilang. Okay, let's have number 3. So, inspect natin equation 1 at equation 2. So, by inspecting, meron po tayong pwedeng multiply kay first equation para magparehas sila ng second equation. So, hindi po lagi na sa first equation tayo nag-multiply, depende po. Dito po kasi sa examples na mga binigay kanina, mas maliit kasi, or kay first equation tayo may multiply para maging parehas sa kabila or sa isa pang equation. So, let's try multiplying 2x plus 3y equals 4 by 3. So, 3 times 2x magiging 6x, 3 times 3y magiging 9y, and 3 times 4 magiging 12. So, yung first equation magiging 6x plus 9y equals 12. So, identical yung nasa left side, yung 6x plus 9y, pero magkaiba naman yung answers. Sa equation 1, naging 12. Sa equation 2 ay 8. So, pag po ganun, identical yung left side, pero magkaiba yung right side, yun po ay inconsistent system. And it has no solutions since wala pong ordered pair na mag-satisfy sa parehas na equation. At sub number 4, x minus 2y equals 1, and then yung isa naman po is 2x plus 4y equals 3. So, by just looking at the two equations, magkaiba na po agad sa x minus 2y kay 2x plus 4y. Kahit ano po yung multiply natin dyan, hindi po magpaparehas. Kasi nga, yung sa y po, magkaiba na po ng sign eh. So, kapag po ganyan, hindi po tayo makakabuo ng identical expression. Yan po ay consistent, independent. And it has only one solution. For the last time, or for the last is consistent dependent. Bakit po? Kasi pwede po nating i-multiply yung first equation by 4. Mag-identical po sila. So, magiging 4x minus 16y equals 12. So, equation 1 naging parehas na po sa equation 2. So, therefore, consistent dependent ang system na yan. And it has infinite number of solutions.
So, that is all for today, guys. Thank you. Kamsahamnida for watching my vlogs. Ngayon po ay sana marami kayong natutunan sa aking mga itinuro sa inyo. And please also subscribe to my channel and like this video and clicking the notification bell below para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod ko pang mga videos. Salamat po sa support. Kamsahamnida. Annyeong chingus. Bye-bye.